Coronavirus. The world is facing a pandemic. But what does it mean? A pandemic is described as a disease which has spread over large regions, such as different countries and continents. Coronavirus or COVID-19 was officially declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization on 11th of March 2020. An important term that is now being used to deal with the situation is social distancing. But what exactly is social distancing? Social distancing is defined as minimizing your contact with people. The basic idea is to maintain a distance between you and everyone else. This also means that public transportation should be avoided whenever possible, limiting your non-essential travel, working from home if possible, and completely skipping visits to social gatherings and crowded places, shopping malls, clubs, parks, etc. This may sound extreme to many, but this is definitely the best way to curb the outbreak. But does it really help? The curve in the graph represents the current number of COVID-19 cases that are showing up. The dotted line represents the current healthcare system. What social distancing helps in is flattening the curve. A high curve comes into the picture when the number of cases increases significantly per day, and there's a more drastic decrease eventually. To flatten the curve means a gradual increase in the number of cases per day and a more gradual decrease. While you may think, how is that going to be helpful, since the number of cases would be the same eventually anyway? But here's the thing, the current healthcare system can only help a limited number of patients. By decreasing the daily number of cases, the healthcare system could be saved from collapse. This would mean that more people would be getting treated effectively. And social distancing helps make that happen, by flattening the curve. Pandemics are based on exponential growth, and the idea is to decrease the growth so that it becomes more manageable on a macro level. Think of it this way, with social distancing, the virus will eventually stop finding new people to infect. In the meantime, the people who are already sick will be in the process of recovery, thanks to the measures or the vaccine spreading resistance to the disease. While the world waits for a vaccine, this has been advised by the epidemiologists as the best way to counter the outbreak. This is a challenging situation, but there's no need to panic. Stay safe, be aware, avoid misinformation, and remember that with each passing day we are becoming stronger in this fight against coronavirus.